don't know who that is.
You know who that is?
No.
Who's your girlfriend or your baby mama? Lady right here.
First of all, that's my wife, Marble.
Okay.
Marble.
Okay.
And who?
Kana.
Who are y'all looking for? Y'all need to tell me what's going on. This is my house.
We told you.
Copy. They're
We're
advising
here for
that
a
this
welfare
is
check.
not the right address.
A welfare check for what?
No,
Hi, ma'am. What? Ma'am?
Y'all violating my rights right now.
Actually, we're not, dude.
Yes, you are, because
No,
you're
we're
not
not.
telling me who that is. I just said it to you.
Listen to me, dude. We're not violating your rights.
You are.
How?
Because
Which right? Which civil right are we violating?
Why are you raising your
We're
voice?
not violating
Why is he raising
anything,
his voice?
okay?
So,
That was disrespectful starting off.
Okay.
And then he's raising his voice at me.
Okay.
So now I can raise my voice,
Let's
right?
go. No, you can eat a dick. Can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me, sir? Yeah, go ahead. All right, man. I'd just like to apologize for getting upset with you earlier.
You don't want to lose your job?
No, I just don't want to. Can you open the door?
On May 9th, in Suisun City, California, officers Marler and Konoma of the Suisun City Police Department were dispatched to the home of military Sergeant Syrah Hawkins. They were responding to a report of a child ingesting nail polish remover.
Hello.
Hey, I don't know who that is.
You know who that is?
No.
Who's your girlfriend or your baby mama? Lady right here.
First of all, that's my wife, Marble.
Okay.
Marble.
Okay.
And who?
Kana.
Who are y'all looking for?
Can you go with the mother's name?
What's the problem?
So we're here on a welfare check. We have to
Oh,
make sure
hang
she's
on.
okay.
Why?
Because we received a call from North Bay for the incident that occurred earlier.
What incident?
What's your first name?
I don't have to identify myself to you, do I? Am I under investigation? You want to
No.
tell me what's going on?
Can you
Don't
confirm
knock
the
on my
address?
window.
Can you come out here?
No, she can't come out there. Y'all need to tell me what's going on. This is my house.
We told you.
Copy. They're
We're here
advising
for a
that this
welfare
is
check.
not the right address.
A welfare check for what?
No,
Hi, ma'am.
I got it.
Ma'am?
Y'all violating my rights right now.
Actually, we're not, dude.
Yes, you are, because
No,
you're
we're
not
not.
telling me who
Okay.
that is.
Okay.
I just said it to you.
Listen to me, dude. We're not violating your rights.
You are.
How?
Because
Which right? Which civil right are we violating?
Why are you raising your
We're
voice?
not violating
Why is he raising
anything,
his voice?
okay?
Officer Konoma looks through the window and Syrah Hawkins tells her to stop. Hawkins then informs the officers that they are violating his rights, to which Officer Marler asks which civil rights were they violating. To answer the officer's question, we must look at the Fourth Amendment, which protects citizens against unreasonable searches and seizures. In Katz v. United States, the Supreme Court established that it is unconstitutional to conduct a search without a warrant anywhere a person has a reasonable expectation of privacy. Under the law, the interior of your home is afforded the highest level of protection. By peering through a private window to see what is happening inside, these officers are conducting a search. A constitutional violation does not require a physical entry or a technical trespass. It only requires the state to look into a space where a citizen has a legal right to privacy. The U.S. Supreme Court ruling in Florida v. Jardines establishes that the right of a man to retreat into his own home and be free from unreasonable governmental intrusion stands at the very core of the Fourth Amendment. The court held that the area immediately surrounding the home is part of the home itself. While an officer without a warrant may approach a door to speak with occupants, that license is limited to the same scope as any private citizen. There is no customary invitation to enter your property simply to conduct a search. In California, the case People v. Camacho reinforces this standard. The court ruled that officers who stood in a side yard to peer through a window violated the Fourth Amendment, as they were in a place where they had no express or implied invitation to be. These cases prove that police can only do what a private citizen is invited to do: knock and talk. Any visual sweep of the home's interior exceeds that license. So, to answer the officer's question, the civil rights being violated are the Fourth Amendment protections against a warrantless search of this home and its curtilage.
Why is he raising
So
his
we
voice
are
at me?
we are here on
Are
a
you threatening
welfare
me?
check.
I can go inside my house.
We are here on a welfare check
I
that
don't
was
know who
called
just
in
said
by
this.
North Bay over
You
a
said that
child.
already. I don't know what that
Well,
means.
Stop talking. Let me talk.
I don't have to
Over a
stop
child
talking.
that
Freedom of speech,
ingested
right? Why is he I don't like him.
a
He's
person
raising
that
his voice at me
ingested
right now.
or nail polish. Okay.
Okay, so
We come here. Your baby's right there.
Okay,
We're trying to check
I'm
on the
gonna talk
kid.
to you. First of all, you fucking came to my house and said, "Is that my girlfriend or my baby mama?" That's my wife. So that's disrespectful starting
Okay.
off.
All right, sir. So.
That was disrespectful starting off.
Okay.
And
Okay,
then
I
he's raising his
understand.
voice at me.
Okay. I
Okay.
understand.
So now I can raise my voice,
Let's
right?
go. No, you can eat a dick.
What's the problem? Starting off.
All right, sir. So.
That was disrespectful starting off. And
Okay,
then
I
he's raising his
understand.
voice at me.
Okay, I understand.
So now I can raise my
So
voice,
look-
right?
No, you can eat it.
What's his problem?
Okay.
As Officer Marler leaves the porch, he tells Sergeant Hawkins to eat a... While the officer didn't necessarily break the law with this statement, his conduct was a direct violation of Suisun City Police Policy 323. This policy explicitly prohibits the use of profane or derogatory language while on duty, as well as the discourteous or disrespectful treatment of any member of the public. Marler's actions here failed to meet both standards.
Okay.
Nah, I need your badge numbers. I'm sorry.
That's fine. I'll give you my badge number. But so the reason we're here is to
Now
make
you're
sure
telling me the
somebody
reason
is
after you
okay.
told me to eat it.
Sir?
So you told me to eat it, right? Marler?
I messed up. I apologize.
Now that you on film, you messed up.
No,
So
you
you
can report.
haven't violated any of my
No.
rights.
No,
the
sir.
first thing you said to me coming here was,
So,
is
sir.
that my baby mom or my girlfriend?
Sir,
Then he started
we
raising
were
his
called
voice
to
at
call
me.
from North Bay.
Pause. I need your name and your badge number.
Officer Conma, 107.
Thank you. I need your name and your badge
Officer
number.
Marler 102. We received
He
a
said
call
he's not
from North
violating
Bay.
any of my rights.
Okay.
Yet he came
We
to my
wanna make
house
sure
and
the
said,
kid is okay.
is that my baby mom or my girlfriend?
We want to make sure
That's
the
the
kid
first
is
thing he
okay.
said to me. Then he's raising his voice at
We
me.
want to
Ma'am,
make sure the kid is okay.
We're here to check on a female.
Is your child okay?
What's your name?
Did you or did you not tell me?
Is your child okay? Did your child
You don't want to answer because that's what he said to me, Marler. And she's at my window. I told you not to go to my window. Close the blinds.
Do you have a 14-year-old son?
Close the blinds.
Hold on, sir.
Close the blinds.
Sir, do you have a 14-year-old son?
Close the blinds. Close the blinds. I'm not going in the house.
Are your
Close the
children
blinds.
okay, ma'am? Are your children okay?
Okay.
Do they fucking
Okay.
look okay, guy? He's asking if my children are okay. Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck are y'all talking about?
We're gonna leave now.
Give me one
Why? Because I
second.
gotta eat it. That's why you leaving now?
We're gonna leave now. I don't know who a 14
My family was here all day. We had a good fucking day. You're here telling me to eat it.
kid is. I don't know who the 14-year-old is.
Okay.
I don't fucking know.
Second.
I told you I did 9 years in the military.
Okay, we
You told me to
appreciate
eat it.
this.
So
Okay,
thank
give
you
me a
for telling
second.
me to eat it.
Please.
After I
please
fucking served
walk
you
away.
for 9 years, you. How about you
Marler.
get the fuck off
I
my
served as
property?
well.
Marler.
I don't give a f. You were probably a piece of
So
shit. If you served and you telling
Okay.
people to eat it, you probably was a piece of fuck.
All right.
You can get the fuck out of here. That's what you can do, Marler. You eat it.
Okay. Let me explain, because we may
He
have
said
been.
he told me to eat it.
Can I explain to you?
You guys, listen. I need you to come down so you're not scared.
Okay.
Kids, okay?
All right.
Okay.
You're right.
So
All right.
we.
I got it.
Okay.
Stop fucking
did you
asking
go-
that. No.
Did you go to North Bay today?
What the fuck is that? Get in the house. What the fuck are y'all talking about? Nobody knows what y'all are talking about.
Well, you're not letting me explain.
You never explained. You started asking questions. He said, is that my girlfriend or my baby mama?
Okay. I apologize for that. Okay. I'm here to clarify. So, address, correct?
That is this
Okay.
address.
So it may have been a miscommunication between North Bay and our dispatch. So we got a call that we needed. Okay. A 3-year-old was brought into the hospital because she ingested nail polish remover. Okay.
We don't know anything about
Okay.
any of that.
And that is absolutely fine. So this
I
just got a
know,
little out of hand.
But you don't come to somebody's house and say, is that your baby mama or your girlfriend? You
Right,
know
and
what?
I
Eat it.
understand. I completely understand
You're
that.
supposed to be
It was
professional.
I'm trying my best to be
And if
professional.
you're doing fine. But that
Okay.
guy, I don't know what the fuck side of the bed he woke up on.
Okay, I understand, but
You
so
don't come to
he's
somebody's
leaving.
house and disrespect them like that.
I completely understand.
I don't know what the hell y'all talking about.
That's why I had
Put
him sent
yourself in
away.
my shoes. 2 cops knock on your door. Boom, boom, boom. I'm in there having a good time with my wife
Okay.
of 5 years.
They are beautiful.
who I have now
Okay.
scared.
Okay.
You probably scared them. They don't know officer friendly yet. You knocking on my window.
All right.
And then you come here and,
Well, you're
and tell me
raising
about
your
your
voice.
investigation. I tell you that I have military experience. Guess how many investigations I have under my belt? I identify myself as a military person. Then
Okay.
y'all asking what my name is. I said my name is right there on there.
Okay, but we need like
But
I said, we
you're
got called
explaining
here.
what you're explaining to me now, but you didn't start off like that.
That's because
Okay, I got you, but this needs
So-
to be put in the notes. We used to call it an AAR, after action
And that is
report.
fine.
I don't know if y'all do AARs.
You have
but
our
this,
badge
this
numbers.
ain't cool.
Okay,
Yeah.
you have our badge numbers.
But
You
that's,
can
come on. That's all bullshit. Do I really want to go through all that?
I don't know.
Do I
It's up
really
to
want
you,
to go
sir.
through all that?
But
I know.
if everything's okay, I'm trying to settle this so that we can leave.
know.
And that you don't have a bad taste on us.
It's not settled because he's a fucking asshole and he left. That's just so it's not going to be settled.
I asked him to walk away so that me and you could have
I
a
know,
simple
but he walked
conversation.
away on his own after he told me to eat a dick, and you seen it. So how
Okay.
do you fix that?
That was
You can't
inappropriate.
fix it. He can fix it, but
Okay.
he's
Would
an
you like-
asshole or something, so he's not going to fix it.
Okay, well, here's the deal. Clearly, we came to the wrong address. I apologize for that. Okay, I'm
And I
leaving
told
now,
you-
sir.
I gave you an instruction
Okay.
to bring on my window, but you did.
Have a good night, sir.
Shortly after leaving the scene, the officers returned so that Officer Marler could issue a formal apology for his conduct.
I don't know who that is. What do you want?
Do you mind if we speak to you for 1 minute?
For what?
We would like to say something to you.
Say what? Go ahead.
Sir, can you hear me? Can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me, sir? Yeah, go ahead. All right, man. I'd just like to apologize for getting upset with you earlier.
You don't want to lose your job?
No, I just don't want to. Can you open the door?
No.
Okay. All right. I'm not going to get into my own personal things, but I had some personal things going on that I let get the best of me, and I do apologize for that. I shouldn't have raised my voice with you like that and get the best of me.
All right, so,
I really do apologize.
So you don't want to lose your job is why you're here.
That's not what it is, sir.
Okay. So you like your job?
I do love my job.
So when I was in the military, I'm gonna step out now, babe. Are you? Okay.
Okay.
Last point, we had the wrong address.
Okay. So you know you fucked up.
It's affirmed this is not the right address.
Yeah, and I was just
It
here
was
chilling,
the
enjoying
address.
myself.
Sorry.
Had a lot of family over.
They don't live here anymore.
Yeah, right. Yeah, they don't.
Following the release of the body cam footage, Suisun City Police Chief Aaron Roth issued a formal public apology, stating that Officer Marler's conduct did not reflect the values of the department. By May 15th, just 5 days after the incident, the department confirmed that Officer Cody Marler was no longer with the organization. After leaving the Suisun City Police Department, Officer Marler was hired by the Willits Police Department in Mendocino County in November 2022. This hiring triggered immediate public backlash after community members linked his name to the 2020 Suisun City incident. Marler's transition serves as a study in the wandering officer phenomenon, where law enforcement personnel move between agencies following major conduct investigations. With the audit complete, here are the final scorecards for both Officer Cody Marler and Army Sergeant Syrah Hawkins. You can pause the video to read through their scorecards.